Hello everyone, introduce myself. My name is Ryan Sensini. You can call me Raihan or Sensini with NPM 24411081, class of MNG 24C. In this video, I will explain one of the topic from the business law course entitled uh, taxation aspect in business activities. Chapter 1 Foundation. Understanding the basic. Why tax matter to your business. Number 1. Legal compliance. Fulfilling tax obligation is a fundamental legal requirement. Non-compliance can lead to severe penalties, fines, and legal action. Impact business continuity. Financial healthy. Tax represents a significant cost-effective tax planning and optimization directly affect your bottom line, profitability, and cash flow management. Number 3. Investor confidence. Demonstrating robust and ethical tax practice builds trust with stockholder, investor, and financial institution, signaling a responsible business operational. Types of business tax in Indonesia. Navigating the primary tax that impact companies' operation in Indonesia. Number 1. Pajak penghasilan or PPH, income tax. Conference income earned by individual and corporation, including PPH Article 21, employees income. PPH Article 23, service, and PPH Article 25 and 29, corporate annual tax. Number 2, pajak pertambahan nilai or PPN, value added tax. Consumption tax levied on the transfer of taxable goods and services at a various stage of the supply chain. And number 3, pajak bumi and bangunan or PBB, land of building tax. Annual tax on a property ownership through often management by local government is relevant from companies owning assets. Deep dive corporate liability. Corporate income tax or PPH badan. K. Consideration. Number 1. Taxable base. Determined by calculation net income. Gross income minus allowable expense in a fiscal year. Number 2. Current rate. The standard corporate tax rate in Indonesia is 22%. Special reduction may apply for small and medium-sized enterprise or SMEs. Number 3. Deductible expense. Only costs directly relates to business. Effective and earning income are allowed. Proper documentation is essential. Number 4. Annual reporting or SPT. Corporations must file their annual tax return no less than 4 months after the end of the tax year. Accurate record keeping is crucial for successful PPH reporting and minimizing discrepancy during audit. Value added tax or PPN. Compliance and reporting. PPN is a complex the tax that requires careful management of input and output taxes. Output tax. The PPN collected from customer on a sales of goods or service. Input tax. The PPN paid the supplier or on purchase related to business activities. Tax payable calculates as output tax minus input tax if input or output the business is due a refund. Monthly filing. PPN return must be submitted electronically every month, typically by the end of the following month. The standard PPN rate in Indonesia is 12% updated to most transaction owners expanded tax incentive and facilities for business. Fueling growth. Tax number one is tax holiday. Expansion from corporate income tax for a specified period for new investment in certain sector or geographic areas. Number two, investment allowances, especially facilities like accurate depreciations, reduce PPH rate for investment is a priority industry of region. Number three is export benefit. Favorite PPN treatment such as 0% PPN for export of goods and curtain service. Promotion international trade. Business should actively search consultation to determine eligibility for these beneficial government programs. Risk management, common tax audit and how to prepare. Number one, types of audits. Routines are specific. They may cover all tax types or focus solely on PPN or PPH. Number two, internal review. Conduct periodic internal checks to ensure all accounting records match reported tax figure before the authorities arrive. Number three, organizing document. Ensure all tax receipts, invoice, contract, and a financial statement are well organized and easily accessible. Number four, appoint a team. Designate a dedicated tax team or consultant to management the audit process and as the single point of contact with auditor. Mitigating tax risk. Best practice for business. Proactive risk management transforms potential liabilities into strategic advantage. Number one, dedicated stage management. Establish a formal tax department or return specialist external consultant for complex issues, ensuring continuous education or new regulation. Number two, transfer pricing documentation. For transaction with related parties, ensure detailed documentation or measure local file is a compliant with Indonesian tax regulation. Number three is clear separation of business and personal, maintaining strict border risk between companies' financial and personal account to avoid securities regarding non-deductible expense. Number four, regulation healthy checks. Perform our annual tax diagnosis or tax healthy checks to spot the potential compliance gap before they are becomes official funding. The future of compliance. Digitalization of tax service and a factor. Number one, effector mandates. The electronic tax invoice system or effector is mandatory for all PPN registered entrepreneur. It automates the validation and issue or PPN invoice. Significant reduce paper use and errors. Number two, online filing transform. The Direction General or Tax or DGP provided various online platform or ESPT DGP online for filing and a major tax return, promoting transparency and efficiency. Number three, embracing technology. Business must integrate the accounting software with tax reporting system to keep up with the real-time reporting demand of the digital age. Uh, Q&A and the key takeaways. Mastering obligation. Number one, priorities documentation. Always maintaining complete, verifiable, and organizing records for all income and deductible expense. Number two, leverage technology. Fully adopt a factor and the online filing system to ensure terms and assure PPN or PPH compliance. Plan strategical, don't just completely optimize. Explore available incentives and structure transaction to maximize tax efficiency within legal bonds. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.